Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see what is Secure Score in Azure Security Center. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. So what is happening there is that with so many services offering security benefits, it's often hard to know what steps to take first to secure and harden the workload. The Azure Secure Score reviews your security recommendation and prioritizes them for us. So we know which recommendation to perform first. So what happens is when you go to the security center here, you will get a score. Like if you have many resources provisioned, virtual machines, SQL Pass, your web apps, storage, networks, subnets, you will get a score like overall secure score is 22%. So it will give you the recommendations, and then you can prioritize on how to act on those recommendations. Like you see here that it is asking me to enable MFA, manage access and permissions, implement security best practices, enable advanced threat protection, and encrypt data in transit. So what is secure score calculation? Security Center mimics the work of a security analyst, reviewing the security recommendations and applying advanced algorithms to determine how crucial each recommendation is. Azure Security Center constantly reviews the active recommendation and calculates the score based on them. The score of a recommendation is derived from its severity and security best practices that will affect the workload security the most. And what exactly is the overall secure score? So if I go back on the dashboard and you see here, it says overall secure score. It is an accumulation of the all the recommendation scores. We can view the overall secure score across the subscription or the management groups depending upon what you select. So this is on the basis of the subscription. You click on it here, and if you would go down, you can view the recommendations from here. And how you can improve the secure score in the Azure Security Center. So if I go back to my dashboard, and if you would see, you can click on your subscription. One completed secure score API. It's in preview. Resource health. My resources too are unhealthy. If I you and this is your control. This is the recommendations that it is giving you. And it says that if I will enable MFA, should be enabled on accounts with owner permissions, and MFA should be enabled on accounts with write permissions. So if I implement this recommendation, my secure score would be increased by 10 points, and that would increase plus 56% in my overall secure score percentage. And let's say if you have multiple subscriptions and you are seeing the overall score by bifurcating them on the subscription level, please note that the sum of the secure score of each subscription does not equal the overall secure. Overall secure has to be maintained at the per subscription level. It would not mean that if you have 10 subscription, every subscription has, let's say, 32 or 22 overall score, and then you add all the subscription score. You say, okay, my score is above 100%. That would not do it. Your subscription overall score should be intact on the per subscription level, and then you can view, click on view recommendation like I did, and then you can see the recommendations for that subscription, and then we can remediate to improve the secure score. In the list of recommendations, we can see that for each recommendation there is a column that represents the secure score impact. So this is the potential score increase. This number represents how much the overall secure score will improve if you follow the recommendation like I told you. And if you go to the dashboard again, if you go to the security center again, recommendations, compliance, so and you can access the recommendations from here as well under resource security hygiene setting. You will get on the same page. You can download this CSV as well, and then you can open the file and then you can view it. I have only one subscription, so you will see the subscription ID is same. The name is same. I have one resource group. So it see. So this is the description. This is the recommendation display name. And then you can implement the recommendation. You can share this file within your team, how you implement it, how you want to do it. So in this video, we learned how to improve the secure score in the Azure Security Center. I hope this was beneficial for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.